Rentals help you manage bookable inventory, such as spaces or event supplies. Designed for duration-based, inventory-driven bookings, they help you expand your product management and accurately model your services. Let's learn how to create rental listings and manage customer bookings to better track your availability. To get started, access your calendar settings inside your Calendars section. Once inside the Calendar settings, head to the Rentals tab. Locate the Plus New Listing button in the upper right corner of the page and click it. Fill out the details of your rental product listing. Rental calendars give you centralized control, with support for flexible pricing and multi-item booking, as well as invoices and inventory updates for the best management experience. This intuitive tool will help you expand into new verticals like vacation, vehicle, and equipment rentals, event businesses, co-working spaces, and mobility services. We hope you enjoy it.